our our PIP Anup Mittal ji. Today, he'll give us all the details of the head office and what are our properties in the head office and how many LMF we have made in this year, as well as the clubs which we have after 2nd May, the clubs opened, and also he will give us the information about outside the India districts and clubs and the payment dues of all the outside India clubs as well as of the Indian clubs. So this is all what, and there are so many other points like magazines and dispatch of magazines, then accounts, and so many points are there which he will explain to us. My point is only 2 points. To make the foundation strong, we have to add membership as well as we have to have LMF, life members. So I request all the leaders, I'm requesting time to time that we have a target of 1,000 LMF and 1,000 clubs. So to fulfill this, we have to work very hard, very hard. So kindly cooperate with me and give me suggestions time to time how we can increase our strength as well as our financial, making our financial position strong by adding life members in our organization. Our organization is very fast growing these days, and we have a lot of districts outside India, and you can say Dollar Aloro is there from Philippines. She will definitely help us to have districts in other countries also, because she is also doing a good work in Philippines, and she have had 2 districts in Philippines, and in the coming time we will may have more districts in the Philippines as well as nearby countries. She will definitely cooperate with us and do a lot of work, because Raju ji always contacting all the leaders from outside India. So my congratulations to all the leaders, because today is a great day for in our history, because today we are going to have the details of our head office. You can question, you can have any query after Anup ji give his lecture. Thereafter, you can have any inquiries. Kindly prepare for that. Also, we will Anup ji will answer for all the queries, etc. So now I lastly say that we are going to have a great association, and the great association will be built by the ally members. So ally members have to work together. Ally means friendship. So we have to make the friendship and work together for the betterment of the association. And there are about 100 awards which we have announced for the ally leaders. So in the coming time, I know that we are going to announce quarterly awards. So that is in by 31st of July, which are the clubs have done a good work in their in the field of services as well as in the administrative. We'll definitely award them by 15th of August. So this is our proposal, and we are going to, because this year we have, as I already said, that 1,000 LFM means we have to collect 1 crore of rupees. So that 1 crore of rupees means we are going to have a double of our financial position of the head office at our head office AACCI. So this is what I have to say. Lastly, my congratulations to all the leaders again, and I welcome them all. So kindly, Tomarji, go ahead with the other program.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for very inspiring and motivating speech, always guiding us all, and always give the advisory to all of us we have to follow. Thank you very much, sir. I welcome all the great leaders from all part of the globe who are present in today's seminar. Going to be prove a great event. And now the next agenda point, and that is the main part of this today's program. That is the speech by our speaker. And next agenda point, that is the main part of the today's seminar on operation and head office and role of head office. And our today's speaker are our most experienced, one of the founder, pillar, torchbearer, experienced, very dedicated, devoted, dynamic, working 24/7, working very hard, taking care of head office, headquarters, 24/7. He is the in charge of headquarters, who look after each and every operation in the headquarter. What is headquarter? Headquarter is a premises serving as the managerial and administrative center of an organization. This is the place where the commander performs the functions of in command. So he is the commander in chief, CNC in headquarter. He will elaborate and explain each and every working operation and of headquarter, role of headquarter. So Ali Anup Mittal ji, his mission statement is, life is not just waiting for someone who is made for you, but living for someone who is happy because of you. So such a great leader, it is a great pleasure for me. It is my privilege to invite such a great leader. So with these few words, I invite LI Engineer Anup Mittal ji, today's speaker, for his speech. LI Anup Mittal ji.
Thank you. I am audible.
Very much audible, sir.
Thank you very
Welcome.
much. Tomar ji, Master of Ceremony and PRO, dual in charge. Chief guest of today's function and presiding officer, International President, LI Engineer Avinash Ori ji. Past International President, immediate past International President, LI BT Raju ji. And past International President, LI Dr. Captain Kuldeep Singh ji. Other leaders, Vice International Presidents, International Directors on board, International Advisor, International Committee Chairpersons, my dear members, most important person are the club members from outside India, LI Dollars, Dana Acharya, and other leaders from outside India. Dear friends, today is the day when I have to speak for a seminar. In my engineering life also, I could not speak so much for 50 minutes. And I could not attend the class for 50 minutes. I only attend the class for 25 minutes and I can speak only 25 minutes. Anyway, I will try my level best to justify my things. Today has given me the task and I try to complete it within 50 minutes. And whatever I can compile and can convey to you, it will be good for me. And now I start, my time starts now. Now this is the topic is headquarter operations and how the headquarter works in the role of the in the Association of Alliance Club International. Headquarter is Association of Alliance Club International is the working under registration of proper registration through registrar of company, and the number is given in the, this is the memorandum of association of article. The number is given here. U is a very big number, U85190 DL 12017 NP L3 15020. This is the registration number of this public limited company, and this is the section 8 company working, no loss, no profit, NGO. This is the basic thing you must understand. Number 1 point. Number 2, now we come to the headquarter operation. We have divided the headquarter in the different divisions. Number 1 division is club division, where we accommodate all the clubs in different sections. The one section is we divide in the district wise and we put all the clubs in the district wise. Now the formation of club. how a club is formed, how a club is take birth. We give the kit to the leaders who recognize the club in different areas. The kit is in the form of, this is the charter application form, this is the membership form, and we send to them along with this publicity program, publicity banners, this is publicity leaflet, this is the publicity leaflet, and this is the roll of MR Marlowe seminar book, and this is the constitution book. We send this kit and one magazine to in the kit. We send to the recognized area where the leader has recognized the club. There we send this kit, and the leader fill the form in the form of a membership form and the charter form. He sent to us this form, we duly filled and with 15 members. Now we are demanding the 20 members in the club. The leader of that area or the district governor send us the club, and we made a charter for to the club in the form of, this is a charter form, and this is the membership form. We send this membership form to the members. We write the name of the member here and the club number here, district number here, and the club number here. Similarly, in the charter, we write all the names of the charter, the members' name in the charter. So this is became a complete charter and charter membership form, and along with this charter pin, along with charter pin, we send the charter in this box to the district governor, and we ask district governor to present this charter to in the proper function, so that every member will be recognized and this charter pin will be given in a good function. This is the club supply and club formation. Now the question arises, how you give the club number, how you give the membership number. We give the club number like this. If suppose district 101 has applied a club in the name of Raipur, so we take the charter and membership form, and money should be deposited in the account. Then we give the number like this: district number 101, club number. We have the file where we issue the club number. So club number, suppose 1031, and then the membership number. Membership number we start 01 to 020. Then again, these are the charter members. Then again, it increases 21, 22, 23, 24 like this. So the number of the club will be, first is district number, second is club number, and third is membership number. This is the complete number A/B/C. A will represent to the district number, B represent the club number, and C represent the membership number. This complete will be the club number, and this we send to along with this club number, we send to this club charter to the district governor. We supply kits. If anybody wants kits, he can ask to the headquarters to send a kit. We send the kit to the members who require the kit. Kit complete, as I told, what is the kit? So we send the kit, and we hope that the kit, when he receives the kit, he should give us the club. This is the club formation and the club supplies. These are the club supplies. Now, second section comes magazine. In the magazine is a very important section in the magazine section. Magazine, what we have to do, that in magazine, we have to collect the photograph up to 3rd of every month of service activities. There is a WhatsApp group in WhatsApp, AACI service activities. There, all the service activities compiled by all the districts are put there. we request every district governor, every club member, or who are the member in the WhatsApp, district governor, why district governor, please put your district club's activity in that group. What we do that the club service activity is compiled by the secretary, Asi, and sent to chief editor judge. And judge also received mail from different area, and he also collect the photographs from different areas. These photos, and our headquarters sent the photo to the judge, and the judge compiled all the photos of up to the 3rd January, and he designed the magazine with the taking the some address from the past international president, message from past international president, and ruling president. He compiled and designed the magazine, and he sent to the printer. And printer sent the magazine as per the required quantity. Suppose quantity required 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. So that sent through to the headquarters through LI Dr. Captain Kuldeep Singh, was duly checked and sent to the headquarters, and headquarters filled this magazine in the envelope. Now you listen, this the workload here, this is the envelope of the magazine. You have to put a ticket here. You have to put the name plate here. Use 3, and then you have to put the magazine inside of it. It's a 4th function. After that, you have to differentiate every magazine according to the pin code number, area-wise, because the postal department will not take your magazine until unless you divide it according to the pin code number. So we divide magazine, we make a bundle according to the pin code number. So this take us 15 days minimum to segregate these things. This is the very hard work which we are doing in the headquarters through our peon and through our headquarters secretary and accountant is also busy, and 2 drivers is also busy in doing this part of the work. 15 days, minimum 15 days, because first of all, list is printed, list cut, and the nameplate cut, and nameplate it will be pasted on it. So this is the work we are doing. This is the magazine, and then after that we send magazine to the post office, and post office see the stamp, see the weight of the magazine, and accordingly he accepted it and put the stamp and sent to the different areas. This is the magazine department which are doing the magazine work. Now come to the pins department. The pin, we have developed so many pins. Number 1 pin is, I have shown you, the charter pin, which we have developed, which is given to at the time of the charter. Number 1. Number 2, we have developed 1 diamond pin, which is given to the member who introduce 5 members immediately. We have developed 2 diamond pin. This is 2 diamond pin, which is given to the who give more than 10 members, 10 to 20 members. This is the 3 diamond pin which we have developed, who give the more than up to 20 to 50 members. This is the pin. We have also developed the pins who give the like this, the attachment. This is the attachment. We have developed the attachment like this. Here written is 1 new district, 2 new district, 3 new district, 5 new member, 10 new member, 100% district governor, 100% ICC, 100% MCC, by district governor pin, we have developed this attachment pin so that you can put that attachment pin with a pin. We have developed nearly 30 attachment pin this time. We have all the attachment pin here. Now we have the pin, a life member pin also. We also developed the attachment. This is the LM, written LM, life member. This is a life member pin which we are sending to everyone with the plate, as SLF plate, which we LMF plate, which I will come on that later on. Now, and this is our international pin. This is our international president pin, which international president is giving to everybody. Every year, president comes and he develops his pin. This is the international pin. And one more pin is the Jaguar pin. Jaguar. This is the Jaguar pin which we have developed. The Jaguar pin which we are giving to the leader who is working like a Jaguar. Is working like a Jaguar. You see, the international director last year, 137, Dr. A. Srinivas worked like a Jaguar. The Kola Naredi worked like a Jaguar. This is this pin is given to those people and who is recognized by our international president to give them the pin. This pin is the special pin will be given to who work with like a Jaguar. These are the few pins which we have I've shown you here and the pins we have developed. This is the pin department. This is the pin department and this pin department give the pins accordingly, whatever the pin is required, and they give the pin accordingly when this is a requirement comes. Now, account section. Fourth is account section. In the account section, what is we are doing in account section? The most important section is account section, where we are receiving the money through bank only. So nowadays, everybody is transferring the amount through bank, and we are receiving the payment in international dues and life member dues. The life member dues, this is the receipt which we are cutting every life member, whichever the payment comes, we write a name, write the district number and amount. We cut the receipt and proper receipt is maintained there and it is accordingly go to the register. We are maintaining the register which how many LMF is there enrolled every day. So there is a register is maintained, or the amount is also maintained there. We are maintaining the register with this receipt. Receipt number is written, and name is written, and the amount is written in the register. This is the life member receipt. This we are maintaining, and international dues receipt. This is the international dues receipt which we are maintaining. The international dues which we are getting in the account department, which we are coming, we write the international dues of district 106, club number, this and that, amount, this, we have received this, and this also we are maintaining a register. This receipt number goes to the register and properly maintain the club number and district number and amount. This is the number. This is the receipt number for international dues. And now we are maintaining the debit voucher, whatever the expenses are happening in the headquarters, we are maintaining this receipt. If the pound cash is giving to somebody for tea and coffee to bring the biscuit 150 rupees, we are maintaining that and also maintaining in one register, which is the daily register, we can call the which can reconcile in it, where we can write the cash expenses or whatever the expenses we have made throughout the day, that we maintain register also. So we are maintaining these receipt books and 3 registers every day. And in the end of the day, we reconcile both and then our accountant goes to home. This is our account department. According to this account department, we made a balance sheet of receipt and expenses which has been given to every month to the international treasurer. This is, and any time international treasurer can visit and can check the amount of the receipt and expenses. Dues are like this. International dues are like this, that we are charging 100 rupees and $1 for the admission fees. We are charging 200 rupees as a membership fee and $5 as the international and 50 rupees as a calamity fund. Total we are charging 350 rupees dues. In INR. In international, we are charging $5 plus $1. So this is we are charging. According this, we made a bill. We made the statement of every district like this. This is the recap. This we make a recap. Here the club number is written. Here the membership is written. Here the district club number name is written. Membership. Then we multiply as per the 350 rupees for the new member and 250 rupees for the old member, and there the amount comes, and who has made the payment record come, then the balance comes, and the total balance will come, and how many LMF we reduce LMF, because LMF we do not know what are the column number, column name. They are not sending, but they send the name. So we take the 36 life member, we reduce the amount and then take the amount. But this is not a good practice, but we are asking now everybody, please send the name of LMF along with their club number. Then we can put the LMF in that club number. So this is necessary now. So this is the recap which we are sending to every district governor, every vice district governor, every international president, international treasurer, international PRO, or every past international president. This recap we are sending every month, nearly on 7th of every month, to every officers, so that they can see to it. If there is any mistake, they can tell us. Similarly, we are sending the membership list. Now we have started sending. Today we send 10 district membership list, hard copy. We have sent the hard copy today 10 district, so that they can check their club list and then can send back to us, so that we can see and can correct our recap accordingly, and dues can also be correct. Today morning, we sent recap to district 132, Ram Singh. Ram Singh ji received the recap. He was very happy to receive. He has seen all the recap. He find some name mistake in the spelling of the name. Rest is okay. So we are sending like this to every district. So please, I request here to every district governor which are present here, please go through this recap and list, hard copy of the list, so that this recap, once it is perfect, once it is okay, then there will be no problem in coming years also. The member detect, he will delete it, member add, we will add it. So accordingly, the things will go proper in a proper way. This is all about our account department. This we are doing in accounts, and after that, we are sending this account statement, accounting north, south, east, west, all the districts. Now, this is our 4 section, which we have divided in the 4 section. Now, after this, now comes the duty of LMF. We have organizing the LMF plaque. Now, LMF plaque, we have given the design, and we shown the design to our international president, which we have visited here few days back, and he has passed the design, and we are going to give the name to him. When LMF plaque comes, with the plaque, we put LMF pin and send to directly to the LMF member or district governor, so that he can distribute the LMF plaque. This is the LMF plaque division. This is the award division. This is the pin division which is working on this. This is publicity material which I have shown to you. The publicity material. This is the publicity material which we have made. This is the publicity material. What is the motivation? What is the motivation? How it works? This is complete pamphlet which we are sending, and this is the complete workout we have taken out. This one. Similarly, what is the team building? What is the team building? How the team building? This we are sending to every kit. This is going publicity. What is meeting membership? What is meeting management? What is meeting management? Meeting management. how you do the meeting, typical meeting. This is all things written. Similarly, this is the leaflet which we are sending along with this. And now fourth point comes is constitution. We are three constitution with us. One is international constitution, another is a multiple constitution. This is the multiple constitution, and this is the club constitution. District constitution under construction, and very soon it will be with us. We will provide district constitution on the website. Now, the another part is website and IT technology. This is looked after by, no doubt, the IT persons, website person, Kamaldeep Kohli, and Senital, and Nital, and Judge. These people are looking after. But in the part of this, our headquarters, we also send the photograph to the website person who is maintaining the website. Service activity. We took the service activity from AACI service activities. From there, we sent to that website designer also, website person also, and outside India, whatever the service activity is taking place, we take from the Facebook and send to him also. So this part also doing by the headquarter. This is the, I'm telling about the headquarter and headquarter operation both. Now we are working in the headquarter, and what are the division in headquarter? We are working like this. This is the divisions, different divisions we have made so that the work should be easy. But we are working with the staff, 3 staff only, because we are able to manage. I am also giving time, so we are the 4 staff. Myself and the 3 persons are also already international president told, 1 admin secretary, Asi, 1 peon, and 1 accountant, and 1 myself. 4 people, and 2 my driver help us in doing all these work. These are the headquarter operations and headquarter working. Now the comes that how many districts outside India. Inside India, the districts are north are, we have 24, south are 31, and west are 8, and east are 1. So we are approximate 68 districts, and outside India our districts are 9. But outside India clubs are 99, and we are in the country Nepal, China, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, Nigeria, Uganda, Bangladesh, Pakistan, France, Reunion France, South Africa, Philippines, 2 districts, Canada, Australia, and then London. So we are in this country, and we are having 99 clubs. Total clubs are 99, and we have this infrastructure outside India. We are thankful to immediate past International President LIBT Rajuji, who is continuously working nowadays also. He is planning to have 2 more districts in Sri Lanka, and more clubs in Suriname, and etc. is working, and more club in Pakistan is working, because I am also talking with those people. So, but the initiative has been taken by our immediate past International President LIBT Rajuji. Constitution, I told you just now, our immediate past international president, Ali Dr. Captain Kuldeep Singh Ji is working very hard for district constitution, and they have sent me the copy to see and read it. He is also working very hard. He has given us international constitution and club constitution and our multiple constitution. Now district constitution is under pipeline. So outside India, I'm telling you, the 99 clubs, 1 club short in 100 century. So this is the peripheria. Now I'm coming one more important point, that how many LMF we have made last year up to 2nd May. We have made 381 LMF last year and nearly 186 new clubs. If we combine Nepal complete club, so that they become a 236 club. But Nepal, some club has not made the payment there itself in Nepal. So 186 club we have made now, and this year we come to this year up to today. Today 70 LMF has been completed and 23 club we have made. This is our administrative and report that till date 70 LMF and 23 club has been administered. We duly paid. 70 LMF also duly paid. So this is the report. And now I want to convey one more things to you, that as per our accounting part of that, where I forget to tell you that till date we have FDR of 93 lakhs. 93 lakhs FDR in corpus fund. We have our corpus fund in 93 lakh, and we have given in the concentrator the calamity fund aid 3 lakhs 40,000 rupees. 3 lakh 40,000 rupees aid we have already given for 17 concentrators. So you can imagine 93 plus 3 lakh 40,000 rupees. So 96 40 lakhs rupees. So what was the corpus fund? Now at present we have 93 lakhs corpus fund. So this is our status or our health about this. So this is the headquarter and headquarter working. Now one more addition in this, that we are also maintaining the building of Calcutta, which we have taken for the headquarters sometime when we were together with the old company. Now this is the head, that is the maintained. It's properly maintained. We are getting the rent of that building of 19,000 per month. Out of that 3,000 we keep for the maintenance every month. So 16,000 net we are getting the rent out of that building. That building we have purchased in 70 lakhs. Total number one, white money we have given. Now the value, registered value of that property is 86 lakhs. And now that we have increased to the circle rate is 1 crore rupees. So that is the building which we are also maintaining, and the rent is coming directly to their account. In their account also 1,90,000 rupees is lying. After all the expenses have been done, their building is rented on 2019 August. So from that till date, we have given all the remuneration to the there also, and the chartered accountant fees also, everything. And after that, we have 1,90,000 rupees there. So this is about the Om Shakti, the outside building is a building which is maintained by us also. Now, one more project which we have taken, the cancer care project, where we have to do the care of the cancer patient only. We have to make him we have to make him mind to make him hard, that he can fight with the cancer. We have to learn so many things to him so that he can fight with the cancer disease, which is a very dangerous disease. But if we give the cancer care treatment from naturopathy, from allopathy, from homeopathy, from other things, yoga exercise, we can build him a very strong man so that he can fight with the cancer. That is our idea behind it. For the cancer care project, we have already taken a land to throw B.S. Tomar, and 1.5 acre land is there, but we could not do anything after that. Land is registered in the name of trust, and we could not able to do anything. Reason behind it, that since last 2 years, the corona is there. Now corona is less, then we have to start building there. First of all, we have to do the boundary, and we have to put the board there. Then after that, we have to make a one room there so that we can start OPD. This will give the good name to us. This is the cancer care project. So this is all about what I wanted to tell you, I have tell you within 45 minutes. I told you that I could not speak more than that, but I whatever knowledge I'm having about the headquarter, I have told you we are maintaining the account in 3 banks nowadays. One bank is Indian Bank, second bank is Jammu and Kashmir Bank, third bank is Standard Chartered Bank. These 3 banks necessary is this is Standard Chartered Bank is our saving bank account, where if you deposit any money, we are getting interest on the first day on that money. Our balance to account is the current account. First account was Indian Bank, that was some problem. Then we have opened the Jammu and Kashmir Bank, but the foreign remittance, we have opened the Standard Chartered Bank. That is the saving bank, but where the operation is very easy. In the Standard Chartered Bank, the foreign remittance can come easily. And we have applied the UTI number, whatever the Maviji told us, we are going to apply that thing so that the money can be transferred very easily. So this is all about our headquarters. Headquarter building is at A383, registered office at A383 Sarita Vihar, but we have taken a premises at A376, which is adjacent to A383, is a separate apartment and separate, completely separate office, where one bedroom is there, one room for president is there, and one bedroom is also 2 bedrooms, and one room for president is there. Please mute. I request,
Sharma,
please
please.
mute, please. So this is, and we, hello,
Sir, Ashok Sharma is
Sharma ji, please,
guys को बंद
can
करो
I, please, this is the separate premises where we are maintaining everything. Account is maintaining all the files, all the district club, in which the club is maintaining, and every directory since from the very beginning is maintained. Everything is maintained here. Whatever the information is required, we can provide the information any time when you require. 24/7, we can provide the information. So this is all about the, you see, headquarter, and this is I want to convey to you. If anybody wanted to ask anything regarding anything, I am ready to give the answer. Please. Thank you very much.
Amar Sahab, Ashok Sharma, you.
Ashok Sharma ji, you please mute yourself.
Ashok Sharma.
Please mute.
Ashok Sharma is on problem.
तो मुर साहब आप सबको म्यूट कर दो एक बार, फिर वो अपने आप बोलेंगे.
Sir, you mute all of us.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, Anup ji, you have not covered about this President Medal, Leadership Medal,
Yes.
and
Yes. I wanted to
and
convey.
gang and gavel and banner.
Yes.
That costs.
That is club supplies. That is club supplies. Yes. Gang and gavel. 1 minute. Can you give me, sir, 1 minute? I will bring gang and gavel. This is gang and gavel. Latest gang and gavel, where our flag is there, an Indian flag is there. This is the gavel. This is the gang. This is written we serve. This is the gang and gavel. This is written serve and care. This is the new gang and gavel. and there is a 3 medals. One is the Ambassador of Goodwill. Ambassador of Goodwill medal. One is leadership medal. One is President medal. Ambassador Goodwill medal is given to the as per the international president. The award committee decide. Ambassador Goodwill medal. I do not having it right now here. Ambassador Goodwill medal. Few people are wearing, and leadership medal is also few people is wearing. President medal is also wearing. Few people are wearing. These 3 medals are the recognized medal. After that, the international president will recognize different international directors also, international advisors also, international committee chairpersons also, vice district governors also, and other awards, whatever he want to introduce, he can introduce the award. Awards for the vice presidents also, the humanitarian award or award best award, the awards for the international directors. So these awards can be given by the selected by the awards committee and given time to time. But 3 medal, president medal, and leadership medal, and ambassador of goodwill medal. These medal it will be are the permanent medal and decided by the international president as per the service activity done by them, not and on the merit basis. No, last year also you see our immediate past international president have given Ambassador of Goodwill Medal on the merit basis. Similarly, President Medal on the merit basis, and the Leadership Medal on the merit basis, and other awards also on the merit basis. And award committees are already has been constituted by heading by myself and other people. So we will justify the post whatever the decided. So these are the medals which we are giving. Right, sir.
Sir, banner for district.
Banner, yes, banners. This is the district banner. This is the district banner which we are giving. This is the district banner which we are giving. Similarly, club banner we are giving similar, but the color is blue color. We are similar length, similar everything. Club banner in the color is changed. That is in the blue. It is in yellow inside, but outside the blue frill, blue color. We are giving in a blue color. The thread is in a blue color. So club banner in a blue color. This is the banner for the district and banner for the club.
Sir, we are giving banner and gang and gavel free to the district. Clubs
District,
they have
yes.
to buy.
Yes, not to the club. We are giving free gang and gavel and the district banner if they made the payment of minimum 5 club.
Sir, what are the stationery available for sales?
Sale. Stationery, nothing to available.
What are the stationery available for sale?
Gang and gavel, banner for the club.
Kindly mention the rates also.
Rate, gang
Rates,
and gavel,
cost.
which I have shown you is 1350 cost plus freight. Similarly, club banner is the rate of 2300 plus freight. This is the rate for the gang and gavel and the club's banner. And further, the pins are not for sale. Only charter member pin can be provided on sale. That is 68 rupees. 68 rupees plus freight. This is the other pins is the awarded pin. 1 diamond, 2 diamond, 3 diamond in the awarded pin, and A pin will be given to the awardee. Live member pin given to the live member. Other attachment pin given to the whatever they are, MCC, ICC, whatever they are. So this is only on the cost. On the sale is only on this charter member pin, club banner, and gang and gavel.
So, thank you very much, sir.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Shall I ask you one question?
Yeah, I'm just giving a question answer. I'm just inviting. And now before giving the thanks to our great speaker, I invite, this is the time for the questions. Question, you can ask any question, any doubt, any query, or any curiosity regarding the functioning of the headquarter. And the answers will be given by our great speaker today, Engineer Anup Mittal-ji. So I invite one by one, you can ask any question. Please, VM Rao sir. Rao sir,
Sir, Anup ji,
please.
Yes, sir.
after the payment of dues by district or club,
Yes.
are you sending any receipts to them?
We are sending receipt to all of them on WhatsApp also, on by courier also.
I think none of them are receiving or directly are sending to the district.
We are sending to
member
the
itself or
district
to-
governor. To are sending to the district governor.
All the receipts.
All the receipt.
So,
Sir,
uh,
regarding
so we are-
this,
And also
you-
sending
you-
on WhatsApp. And immediately whosoever want the receipt, we send him on the WhatsApp also.
sir, another thing, is it possible to maintain separate one for LMF and one for district use
Yeah, these are
bank
separate.
accounts?
These are separate receipts which we are maintaining. LMF is separate, international
No,
dues
no,
is
not
separate.
receipts, even deposit in the bank also.
Deposit in bank,
Even
whatever the
deposit in
bank
the
is
bank.
deposit, we write there that
No,
this
no,
is the
no.
LMF amount. Because LMF amount,
I mean-
whichever is sending, he told us.
No, I mean to say, LMF is particular for one account, one bank account. District dues are deposited in one separate bank account. Like that, is it possible?
Sir, one bank, again, we know how many things, we know everything that Mr. VM Rao, Kalab, Visakha, Sarika Kulam sent 3,000 rupees as international dues. So why we should keep another separate account for
And
the
it is
international
easy
dues,
to,
LMF
it
dues,
is easy to,
and Standard
it is easy
Chartered
to
Bank.
understand.
Tell me.
It is easy to understand. That's why.
It's very easy now. They're not a difficult task. If
No,
international
it is
dues
not
are coming,
difficult.
if
I'm
international
asking
dues
you,
are
suppose
mostly, most of the
only
time,
accounts,
international dues,
life member fee they are paying, that can be deposited only in one account only, either Standard Bank or Jammu and Kashmir Bank or Indian Bank.
so
Only
the
particular account.
advantage now in Standard Chartered Bank is from the very first day, we are getting the interest, whatever the deposit are there. So that's why we prefer the Standard Chartered Bank.
No, in that Standard Chartered Bank, everyone is depositing either LMF or district dues or anything.
Yes.
No, I mean to say, only LMF for one bank.
Then we have to decide in the board meeting or core committee meeting that this account is for this account for this. This is not my business. My business
No,
is to see that how suppose
VM
RK
Rao,
Saxena sent me
that
the nomination
policy we can-
charges. He WhatsApp me that RK Saxena WhatsApp me that I am sending you the nomination charges on the bank account number and the receipt. I just check in the bank statement, I just note down that the RK Saxena sent the nomination charges. This is the we are doing, probably.
BM Raoji will discuss it in the core committee. Your point will be very, very valid, but we'll discuss it in the core committee, then we'll have the separation if required.
Because some people
Okay,
don't
BM
have
Rai ji.
Indian Bank, some people do not have J&K Bank, some people do not have Standard Chartered Bank. This is the also problem, sir. Some people do not have Standard Chartered Bank in their area. They have only Indian Bank. Some people do not have the J&K Bank in that area. That is also problem. If suppose VM Rao has deposited 1 lakh rupees in the account of the LMF, you just WhatsApp me, I just correlate that and just give the entry and we cut the receipt and send to you. This is the process which we are doing.
बिल्कुल सही है जी, बिल्कुल सही है सर. सर
Thank
कई
you.
जगह तो
One more
यही
thing.
प्रॉब्लम आती है, बैंक ही नहीं है, चार्टर्ड बैंक
One
जैसे
minute,
हमारे
one
यहाँ.
minute, one minute.
Thank you.
One by
Sir,
one,
please,
one by
please,
one.
please, I will.
One by one.
Sir,
One more
please,
question,
please.
sir. One
Sir,
more
please,
question. One more.
Sir,
Are
Rao
you
sir,
maintaining tally? Are we maintaining tally in our accounts?
Maintain
Tally,
tally every
tally.
day.
What
We are
problem?
maintaining tally every day.
Every day tally, na?
We are telling
Sir,
whatever
sir,
the
fourth question.
coming in the bank and going outside. We are telling.
So, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you,
One
thank
more,
you.
sir. Regarding the membership number we are related to the member, na?
Yes, every member.
Are you
we are allotting
are
the
we
membership
communicating
number.
to the particular member?
Pardon?
Are you
Are you
communicating?
communicating? Are we communicating to the number?
Every time we give, when we send the charter to the district governor, or with the charter with the district governor, number is there, membership number is there,
No.
membership number is there.
After that, later, any new admissions may be there, na?
Really, whatever the charter comes to us for the charter members, we all the members, suppose today is the 20 member, okay? Now 4 member have to add in that. The 4 member
Yes.
number is district number 10A oblique district number oblique C 21, 22, 23, 24. This is their number.
No,
We send
no,
to
no.
the
So is
district
it-
governor.
Are we communicating to the members?
We are not communicating to the member. We are communicating to the district governor, to whom we are sending the charter, and district governor is sending us the
No, no,
membership.
after charter,
detail.
sir. I am asking you after the charter, some new members may be joining, na?
The new member
Sir,
joining.
VM Rao,
They member
no,
are
no, if
reporting
any club
through district
want,
governor.
sir, if any club want, they are sending the list of the members of that club. In that, I
Without-
think membership number also there.
I
Yes.
don't think it is.
Sir, Anup
is
ji,
there,
that is correct,
is-
na? Suppose you are sending a club list from the international record, then you will have the number, na? For each member, the number will be there.
Sir, sir, suppose R.K. Saxena is the district governor. He is sending me the list of 20 members. We send a charter to the 20 member to him. After that, R.K. Saxena is sending 5 more member added. Add 5 members in the club, number this and this. We make the list of 5 member, added list, complete list of that club, added with the 5 members, sent to the R.K. Saxena district governor. Because he has sent, he reported to us. We reported to him back.
It is there. It
Tomarji,
is there in the. It is
please,
VM Rao. It is
VM Rao
there
ji,
in the list with the
kindly,
governor.
Yes.
Tomarji, kindly go
Sir,
to
thank you, sir.
next
Thank you.
question.
Thank you. Sir, please. Thank you very much,
Yeah,
sir.
you go to next question.
Now we
because
are having the 3 more. They are having some questions. Mura Anjaya,
yeah.
Vice District Governors, Dr. Srinivas and Rajeshwar Rao. We will give the chance. First, I am calling Mura Anjaya. Anjan Mura.
Sir, Tomar sir, one question.
Sir, please. I am
Namaskar,
giving
sir.
question time. I request all the
One question, only one question by one
only one
person.
question. All the honorable members and leaders, I request they can ask only one question and only one, please. I invite number 1, Mura Anjaya.
Thank you, Tomarji.
Please.
Very good evening, and it is a very nice explanation from Anup sir.
Thank you.
Very clear, sir. Thank you very much. And my side, I have it's not a question, just clarifications only. Number 1, sir. Exactly 4 years back, 5 years back, I made SLF, but I didn't receive a SLF plate. This is one thing. And last year, for District 137, for Governor Alagandula Srinivas and Vice District Governor Rajendra Prasad, VDG1 and myself, VDG2, Mora Anjaya, we are not received the label, sir. That is why there will be nameplates, no? That we are not received. So
This badge you are saying?
yes, sir. For last
This
year,
badge
sir, last year.
in the courier. In the courier, we already sent in the courier to you.
Yes, sir. You regarding this already you answered that you sent, but Anna sir told us that not received. One day there was a chatting with you about this, and he told and he requested you to design again and send that to bank.
Kola Anna Reddy, I talked to him. He was asking last year, yesteryear. But yesteryear, I sent to him, but I do not know where it has gone. But yesteryear, I not. If you wanted that, I can make it. But this year also, we have courier to you. If you are not received, then please let me know.
Yeah,
Thank you.
sir, this year we received, last year not received, sir. And this year
Yesterday,
also,
okay, yesterday we will make it and send to you. Okay, no problem.
sir, this
No
year, for our district, we are not received Shastri ji and our Siddhula Balakrishna. These two persons.
Already sent to the Bal Gangadhar Shastri. Hopefully, Gangadhar Shastri I received today or tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Thank you, sir.
And
So the-
sir, for our district, we required the district banner, sir. We don't have district banner from the beginning, sir.
You want district gang and gavel?
Gang and gavels are there, sir. We purchased, but international not provided us that gold color banner will be there, no, sir. District banner.
District banner. Which district?
District 137 Karimnagar.
137 Karimnagar. We have provided in the beginning. I think you people have lost. 137, I remember wholeheartedly that we have given you the red banner. Anyway, if we not, we will give you again. No problem.
Sir, please.
You are
please,
working.
sir.
You are working
Thank you.
very hard for the
Sir.
international. International will provide you with the permission of our international president. We will provide you one more banner, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for replying, responding, and you are having the remembering that you have given. And now the next is Dr. Srinivas. He is the international director. Dr. Srinivas ji, please ask only one question.
Yes, sir.
And-
Good evening, sir. Good evening to presiding officer. Good evening to Anup ji. Sir, Anup ji, my question or my request is, all my district is having 15 life member clubs. They were expecting a gang and gavel and a permanent club banner, so that they will get little more encouragement. So total we have 22 clubs, sir. 15 clubs are the life member clubs. In another 7 clubs are the regular members. So whenever we are approaching to the new team to get a life member club, so they were in a little expectation of getting a gang and gavel and one banner. So this question I asked immediate past international president Tirupati Raju ji, and I also requested you, sir. That time I could not ask Ori ji. So this is my personal request. It is not a demand. Since we have 455 life members, we are requesting from our district, sir. Thank you. Thanks for this opportunity.
Doctor sir.
Srinivas will look into.
Doctor sir, Dr. Srinivas,
Sir.
the gang and gavel and club banner you have to purchase for the club, right? So how many gang and gavel you want, we will send you. How many club banner you want, we will send you. You please send me the names of the club. Club names you send me, I will provide each and everything to you, the club banner and gang and gavel both.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir,
Within
for responding.
a week or 15
You
days,
have to buy.
I
You
will
have
give
to
you.
buy for clubs.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very
That
much.
a lot to the district, like district governor, sir. They will
actually-
take care.
Sir,
Sir.
actually what
Sir.
we have to do,
Sir.
we district governor and sponsoring club, they have to donate gang and gavel and banner.
Yes.
Club which is sponsoring them, they have to give. Now today also we discussed in district 105, governor is giving gang and gavel. Any new governor of that year is giving gang and gavel. The club which is sponsoring the new district, 2 extension chairmen will be there, one guiding LI will be there. They have to sponsor the banner for the new club. Like that, one system you have to establish in your districts.
So thank you very much,
But
sir.
my question is, sir, Tirupati Raju, sir, my question is, the people who are investing 1.5 lakhs for their permanent like life member club,
Sir, Srinivas
they were
ji,
expecting,
Srinivas ji,
they were
Srinivas ji.
expecting, sir.
Yeah, please,
Sir,
Dr.
Srinivas
Srinivas ji,
ji will-
Sir, that
Srinivas
procedure is
please.
not there.
Thank you.
please. You have get the
Okay,
you have
sir.
got the sir. You have got your response.
Sir,
reply from our speaker and B. Tirupati Raju sir. Now I
Thank you, sir.
invite Rajeshwar Rao, District Governor 105 for his question. Please.
So thank you, Tomar sir. So
Please.
good evening to the presiding officer and the dignitaries on the dais. So I have a small question. Suppose any club doesn't pay international dues for 2 years, they will be suspended. Their name will be removed from the international list. So what is the procedure to revoke the suspension? What is the penalty that will be levied on the club if it is prepared to reactivate that club activities? So kindly tell us, sir, so that we one club is there, Sompeta, in our Srikakulam district 105. So that we are trying to revoke that. They are prepared to pay the international dues for the areas also. So will there be any procedure? So please explain it, sir.
Rajeshwar Rao, very good that club is going to revive. Number one, that now this club was an SQ, okay? And last year it is recommended that the club go in SQ, okay? To revive this club, you have to pay all the balance dues plus current dues also. Plus current dues of that club and all the past 2 years dues you have to pay, then this club can be revived.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. That's enough, sir. Any procedure we have to follow? That means a resolution or anything?
You have to send me the list of the members plus the draft of the 3 years, 2 years last year plus current year draft or a transfer in the bank.
Okay, sir. Right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Tomarji,
Back to the MOC.
Tomarji, you unmute, sir. Tomarji.
Tomarji,
Anji, yes,
Sir,
sir.
please, sir. International President, sir.
yeah, you go for.
Anupji, I have one suggestion.
On the last
Yes,
question,
Jaldi,
last question, sir. We are having our GS Judge. He's the chief editor, International Magazine. Judge, sir, please ask only one question.
Thank you, Tomarji.
Sir, please.
First of all, congrats to our International President Oriji and also to Nuji. Headquarters of working is almost very good, but I have one suggestion, sir. IP sir, kindly send one letter with the charter from our International President. That is a welcome letter to a new club. If it's possible, then the procedure will be started, sir. So with this
Definitely
letter, they will motivate, sir.
Okay, we have noted your suggestion and we'll definitely try to do this. Okay.
Thank you, sir. I have 2 more sessions, but next time, sir. Okay, no issue.
Okay, thank you, Judge Saab, for cooperating. And time is going very fast, passing very
No
fast.
issue, no issue, sir, no issue.
So thank you very much. So thank you very much, sir, explaining and elaborating each and every detail of headquarter and head office operation and role of head office. Sir, you have given each detail about functioning of headquarter. It is a big job role and responsibility, which can be only managed by a great stalwart or robust personality or jaguar like you, sir. You are real jaguar in our organization. Thank you, sir, for everything you are doing for making our organization great, greater and greatest, taking it to the new horizon. And we are having many great leaders from the entire globe. I welcome all of them. And now the next agenda point, I invite our very great leader we are having, our past international president. He is the architect of our constitution, Dr. Ambedkar of our great organization. He is an encyclopedia, exceptionally versatile. Dr. Captain Kuldeep Singh Ji, past international president.
Am I audible, sir?
Sir, very much audible, sir.
Thank you. Sir, thank you very much, Omar, sir. You are a wonderful man conducting all the program. I am very grateful to you and congratulate you.
Thank
A
you, sir.
very dynamic, great man, a very nice leader who is always cool and dynamic and always he's a man of action, and he's only habitual of speaking less but delivering more. Normally, an international president takes more time, but our current president, he takes the minimum time, but his output is much more than what he says. I wish you, sir, I am very grateful to you. You are an asset to the organization. Coming back to our own leaders, when we calling off Anup Mittal's program, our Jawar president, it's a wonderful man. I have the privilege to talk about him because today is his day. One day I was on that chair, another day Rajuji was on the chair, and today he is the man of the match. Let me share with you that whatever he explained, Ali Anup Mittal, our past international president headquarters, you can imagine one thing, that probably all of us are in business or running the companies. We have number of employees. They are all bound to obey our order. But in this case, we have thousands of people, and everybody want to have an answer from him. Probably it is not possible. Sometimes it so happens, some people unnecessarily get hot on him while talking. My first thing is that while we appreciate his working, you see, I have a company of about 11,000 people, but I have not a staff to handle that. This great man runs the organization with only 2 persons, and he spares all the time, day and night. I don't know when he does his own work, when he have his food, when he have everything. This man is really a nucleus. By the grace of God, we have found a wonderful man who always look after himself and who always look after the organization. He's always cool, always there to deliver things. Imagine whatever it is, whether it is magazine, it is account, it is club, LMF, Ambassador of Goodwill, all pen he have to not only account for, he have to get it prepared and make sure they are of the minimum charges, and also deliver to the man whom our leadership is awarding. It is a very big job. He always on the work. I have seen him in the office. I really hats off to him. Let me share with you that all of us, if give him salute, that will not be very much. It will be less than what he deserves. I just want to share you, I do the constitution, Raju, you do the extension. All of us work with each other, but he works for everybody. And everybody finds this is not right, this is not right. Kindly take care. You write to him, speak to him, your problem will be 100% solved. Our international president and Anup put together, they have coordinating our issue. I just want to share with you that it may not be possible for anyone else. I'm again making a statement. It may not be possible for anyone else to run the organization from headquarters as Anup Mittalji is doing. I only want to share with you, kindly coordinate with him. Wherever you find difficulty, you find shortcoming, speak to him politely. He's always there to prepare you. There was one question also, how to revive a club which have already vanished 2 years back. I just want to further technically clear that. One is that you pay the dues for last 2 years and also pay the interest of 50 rupees per annum. You get the same number of the membership again with the headquarters after the approval of the international board. Or there is another shortcut. You have same name of the club and pay admission charges second time and pay the all dues, you will be allotted number. And accordingly, there will be new number and your club will revive with this. Choice is yours, but in both cases, almost charges must be equally same. And you have to dish out. Maybe you don't need all the members which left. That you can talk it over, but there are two procedures you can do that with. Coming back to our international headquarters, he's, pinched by all of us day and night. But this man is still there in the service. I want to appreciate him, and all of you, let's wish him a very good health. You see, why I want to say, he's suffering from diabetes, he's suffering from blood pressure, he has 3 stents put in his heart, and man is on work for 24 hours. Last year went to Goa only after 3 days from his heart operation. Nobody else could have done this. Thank you. I want to share with you this man, a very old, good friend of mine, is an asset to the organization. All past presidents, all of us, all board directors, I request all of you to kindly pray for him to give him a good and happy, long life, full of health, wealth, and happiness. And let us all clap for him with cheers. I'm grateful to you, President. I had the opportunity to talk on behalf of the board, and I am saluting once again to this man, a wonderful drug for the entire Alliance International. Thank you very much. God bless us all.
Very nice, sir, Captain, sir. Very nice, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Very motivational speech and very stimulating. And that is always inspiring all of us. Thank you very much, sir. And
Thank you.
We are having the many leaders from the all over the India and also from the globe. I will invite them, but before I am inviting now I invite our mentor, great motivator, master and the doctor of extension, who has offered his services anytime, anywhere in entire globe. We are blessed with such a great leaders. Really, we are very lucky, fortunate, working in the patronage of such great leaders. I invite our immediate past international president, B. Tirupati Raju sir, for his deliberation and his speech. Thank you, sir. Please.
Thank you, my dear good friend Tomar Saab, our leader, International President Avinash Gori, and today our speaker and good friend, a dedicated person for our international office, Anup ji. Another good friend, our guide and philosopher, Kuldeep Singh ji, and other friends. Today, this meeting is wonderful. Some members know about what is going on at the international office. Many members may not know what is the problems in running the international office. Really, I appreciate on behalf of all of us, Anup ji, for spending a lot of time, last 4 or 5 years, and he is spending his lot of time and energy in running the international office. Not only that, he has given premises free to our international office. All the years, he is giving his own premises to our international office without charging anything. He has provided even guest room also. If any member can go there, he is providing guest room there in our international office. You can utilize that facility also. Really, it is a very good work he is doing, no doubt about that. I need not say, everybody knows Whenever you ask any information, within second, he will give the information. That is the specialty of Anup ji. Really, let us salute to Anup ji for doing this wonderful work. Regarding the Calcutta office also, actually, first we thought of starting international office at Calcutta, and then they appointed me as the chairman for raising funds for the office. Because from the beginning, I have been fighting for an independent international office since A1 company. Then they told me, okay, how you buy the premises? Where is funds? We don't have that much funds. Then we worked out and requested so many leaders. Then Kodur Rangarao, our past international president, he has come forward. He has given at that time 20 lakhs. That time board meeting conducted nearby Visakhapatnam, Araku. I remember very well, Kodur Rangarao has agreed to give 20 lakhs. And TP Gandhi, our past international, he also has given 10 lakhs. Of course, all other friends have given some money. With all the things, we bought a property at Calcutta. So, but now most of the things administration is in Delhi, now not much in Calcutta. So we are thinking, we have a plan that our international office, there should be an international independent office in the name of our organization. That is the idea we are working out. Maybe by selling the property at Calcutta and by contributing all of us some more money, we should have very good international office in Delhi. That is the national target for all of us. I request all the members to keep in mind. We may come to you. We are requesting our Kuldeep Singh ji, Anup ji, to see a place, good place, accommodation in Delhi. Of course, Anup ji is supporting us now. But for an organization, there should be an independent international office. That is image for the organization. Many members can give premises. That is a different thing. He is courtesy, he is extending. But that is, we are thankful to him. But a day should come. We should have our independent office where there may be 1 or 2 guest rooms and everything like that. We have to plan. I hope already we should have done this. Because of this corona, we have been delaying. Once the corona ends, we may have our independent international office in Delhi, so that we'll have very good image for all of us. That's what I want to share with all of you. I suggest Orissa also hereafter, whenever we have this type of a seminar, why don't you give some lucky pin from the international office, maybe lucky medal, something, so that members will stay up to end. Last members, you can choose one of them as a lucky ally by giving some pin, international pin. That system also should be there.
Sir, I noted your point, sir. I noted your point, and next seminar we will definitely do this thing.
Okay.
Sir,
Once again, I thank you, Orissa. Our international president is showing a lot of interest in improving. He's motivating every clubs and districts, and we have very good started good performance of getting live members and increasing members. And we are getting so many districts also. I'm also working I'm mainly concentrating in the international and India also. We are finding out new leaders. I request all of you once again. I created a WhatsApp group for extension system. We want your support. That is why I request all of you to add your extension members. I request every club, please at least add one active member from your club, or you can send to me. I can add them in that group. Similarly, every governor, they have to give membership chairman to the district in that group. And so that we want to concentrate at least 500 to 1,000 members in that group, and we motivate them so that our international president target of reaching 1 life member from each club and increase of members by 20% in each can be achieved. So let us, I give already voice message I have given to all of you. Please, I request here council chairmen, governors, and all the leaders. Please send. Either you can add there or you can send to me. I will add in that group and motivate them regularly instead of touching all the groups. I can concentrate on those members and see that they do something for extension. That is my plan. Of course, not only me, we involve multiple chairmen, directors, and governors. All of us, let us work jointly to reach the goal of our international president. A life member from each club, that is a very important for every club. Okay, sir. Thank you.
So thank you very much, sir, for your very motivational, wonderful speech. And you are always motivating us and teaching us all. You are a great teacher, sir, a great mentor, and great doctor of extension. So we are having the many great leaders from the all over India and from abroad. And by the permission of International President, I invite Dolores C. Elbro. She is the founder from District 1027, Philippines, and the International Director. I invite Dolores C. Elbro, please, for her speech. Dolores, please, you are. Please unmute yourself. Dolores, please. Please.
Hello.
Thank you. Welcome.
I don't know what to say now.
You just extend your thanks and, good wishes for the.
Well, right now, you know, we're fixing another district this time. We have 9 clubs right now, and we're promised Alay Radio, all the bills, you know, like international dues and district dues, we're going to pay everything this coming September. That's all I can promise. And add more members. That's all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dollar. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dolores Elbro, for your commitment. Thank you very much. And we are having the Rome Escorpio from Philippines also. And we are having the Dhana Acharya. She is from Nepal, 1023. Dhana ji, you please would like to say something at this occasion, at this event. I welcome you.
Thank you, Master Ceremony. Today, cherished International President Avinash Sori sir, our dynamic leader Anup Mittal sir, immediately past President Raju sir, International President Kuldeep Singh sir, other district governor and all leaders. मेरा सबका संध्याकालीन नमन है। आज का जो सेमिनार हो गया वो मैं शुरुआत से हूँ, बहुत अच्छा लग गया। जो क्वेश्चन था वो भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था, जो अनूप सर का स्पीच था और रिप्लाई था वो भी मजेदार था, बहुत मजा लग गया, मैं सुन लिया। जो हमका वो इम्पोर्टेंट भी है, जो मेंबर प्लस होने के बाद कैसा अवार्ड मिलता है और डिस्ट्रिक्ट देने के बाद, क्लब देने के बाद, इसलिए भी उसको जो मोटिवेशन होने के लिए प्लस पॉइंट है। एक जो 5 मेंबर के लिए फर्स्ट एक डायमंड है, उसके लिए मेंबर मोटिवेशन भी होता है, वो अच्छा भी है। अच्छा लगिया। मैं तो हर हमेशा आपका सेमिनार और इंस्टॉलेशन होता है, मेरा टाइम मिलने के बाद मैं हमेशा जोड़ती हूँ, मेरे को अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि अलायंस के लिए बहुत सीखना बाकी है मेरे को, अभी वो आगे चलने बहुत बाकी है। इसलिए भी बहुत धन्यवाद सबके लिए, इतना टाइम के लिए, और जो सेमिनार रख लिया उसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सबके लिए। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
Thank you very much, Dhana Acharya ji, for your very motivational speech and motivating us all. Thank you very much, sir. International President, sir. Anything else, sir? Please.
Vali Sundra from attended from Sri Lanka is there. Vali Sundra.
Vali Sundra, please. I invite you to for your few words.
Yes, he attended. Whether he is there or not, I don't know.
From Sri Lanka. Please, I welcome you.
You can invite the governor of Philippines, Marcos. Today she attended.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's there.
Please.
Governor
Please.
of Philippines.
I invite the governor of Philippines. Come.
Alay Margo.
Alay Marcos. Please, I invite you. I'm sorry. I invite you, please, for your guiding us all. She's,
Yeah.
please.
Speak,
Thank
madam.
you.
Oh, yeah. Good evening, everyone.
Yeah.
Do you hear me?
Very much hearing.
Okay, okay, everyone. Good morning. It's my pleasure to attend this seminar to add knowledge about our club, the Alliance, and then I'm very thankful that I learned so much about the seminar, especially Ale Anop. Good evening, Ale Radyo. Good evening, and to our president, President Ori. Good evening, and to everybody, all allies all over the world. In my case, since that I'm new governor in my country, which is also my country is composed of Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. We have club in Mindanao, we have club in Visayas. It is these seminars of ours tonight. I will conduct also the seminar. I will inform them regarding our goal and objectives to my club, fellow allies. And then in this case, although that I'm also a lion, but I learned different way of approaching our allies. Okay, and then for the near future, for our another samurai, I would like to learn more about Association Alliance International. Thank you.
President Sir, Margos is having a lot of contacts in Philippines. She's having a lot of friends and she's very active in Alliance. I request Margos to pay more attention and increase to 15 clubs this year. Of course, Dolores is there.
Yeah, why not? Actually, actually, Alay Radio, they're very much interested about allies because you know what? In my country, there are so many Indian.
Yes.
You know what? And then when I'm telling them about the alliance, India, they're very happy. In fact, they wanted to have member. It so happened that today is pandemic that I cannot go around, but they are seeking appointment for me, especially one of the elite Indian here in Baguio. And then in Cagayan de Oro, which is in Mindanao, they were asking me to join in and to explain. Actually, they were asking already the form, but this coming after the pandemic or GCQ, I will try my best to go around all over the Philippines.
So, thank you very much, Margox Duterte, Governor, Philippines.
No, another dynamic leader, Dang is there.
Dang,
She's activating the district of Manila.
Yeah.
So let us hear from Dang also.
Dang.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So I invite Mr. Eli Deng from Manila. You please give us few words.
Dismiss.
Eli Deng from Manila.
Yes, thank you so much.
She's there.
Everyone, fellow ally.
Please.
Unfortunately, I was not called. Yeah, I just want to ask Aliano if I'm going to request for Agong and Gavel and also a banner for our club. How much will and how can I send the money, the payment?
So thank you, Deng. Thank you very much.
That's all. Thank you. Thank you.
Please.
Yeah. Did you heard me? Did you hear me? Did you hear me? Hello.
Please. You please continue.
Did you hear me, sir? Did you hear me, sir?
You can continue, Dang. You can ask your question.
Sir, I'm asking if I'm going to purchase, to request Agong and Gavel for our club and also the banner. So how much will I pay? Then I will send it to the international, the payment.
No, for any member.
No, sir, for my club, That is why.
For your,
yes.
For each member, $5. So it depends upon the number of members, you have to pay the international dues.
No, sir. No. For the international dues, we will pay for the 2021, 2022. No, for the year 2020 and year 2021. We will pay maybe next month or this coming August. We will pay the whole dues for the club.
Actually, our system is, if you start the club in between January and March,
yes,
and if you paid the dues, you need not pay for next alliance year. You understand? Suppose your club started in between January and March, you need not pay for this year. If you start a club in this year, new clubs, you have to pay now this year.
Okay.
Any club started at the year end of last year, January to March, you need not pay again current year. You understand?
Yes, sir. Noted.
Sir, clarification,
Your clubs,
sir.
now new
She's
district,
asking,
you have not paid last year. For even though you started in January, February, March, you have not paid for the new district. All the clubs now you have to pay the dues now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Old clubs in the old district that is started before December. Before December started, those clubs also they have to pay now the dues. If any club is started January to March only, they will be exempted in the current year.
Sir, doubt, sir. Sir, one doubt. Sir, regarding if you say you were telling like that, but the organization is losing some contribution, subscription. Instead of doing that, I think I don't find anything in the constitution.
Sir, policies now at present, sir, VM Rao, now discuss policies in our meeting. Now this is the policy we are following.
No, that's why I'm not arguing for that. See, instead of doing that, why don't you charge 50% of the existing fees and next year they will pay full
No, that we have to take a decision. Now this is the present policy.
So thank you very much, Deng from Manila.
You understand, Deng?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Any other members from Philippines, they want to talk? Some new members have joined today. Here. Celeste, do you want to say? Or Rome? Cabinet Secretary, do you want to talk something? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Celeste or Rome, do you want to say something? Otherwise, we'll go for the next closing.
Hello, good evening.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening to all to all the Alliance. And I just want to say congratulations for this seminar. It is really what can I say? It is something informative. This will be an informative seminar for all of us. So I am looking forward to learn more from all of you. Thank you and have a great evening.
We have been conducting seminars like this. Already this is the 4th seminar. We conduct regular, our international president is planning regularly seminar like this. So we are sending invitation also to your groups. Anu Mittal is posting. So I request all of you to join in this seminars regularly so that you know what is the organization. So first, if you know the thing, then you can tell to other members. Okay, Rome? Of course, we are available always for any queries. Thank you, Rome.
Thank you very much, sir, for clarifying. Thank you very much for the support, and thank you, Rome, as co-prejo from Philippines. So
Celeste Lidwan, you want to say something?
Yeah, please.
Celeste?
Please, Celeste Lidaman,
Yeah,
please,
she's also from Philippines.
from the Philippines.
Yeah. Do you want to talk? She is not responding, I think.
So,
Okay, sir.
so thank you very much, sir. And thank you all the great leaders from the international. A lot of number of the international, entire globe and from India has been connected in, they have attended today's seminar, and it will be very, very much useful for all of them. They can understand the working and the role of the headquarter. And sir, international president, sir, now the next agenda point, and that is the vote of thanks by our international secretary, Advocate Rajkumar Chauhan. I invite Advocate Rajkumar Chauhan for vote of thanks.
Thanks, Tomarji.
Please.
Thank you very much for doing a wonderful job.
Thank you, sir.
First of all, I congratulate Rai Avinash Chand Oriji, International President, to organize this type of seminars since last months. I thanks Oriji. At all. Now, I like Kuldeep Singh ji, our inspiring leader. He is a very sincere master of constitution and protocol. He always emphasizes us to follow the protocols. So, my sincere thanks to Kuldeep ji to guide us and teach us in very well manners. Now, keynote speaker, L.I. Anup Mittal ji. He is a very dynamic. He explained the head office working in a very excellent manner. As Kuldeep ji said, he is a man of action, not a man of speech. He is very dedicated, 24 hours hard working personality, very simple, sophisticated, soft speaking, always ready to help in all respects. He always give us a very good suggestion. I feel the head office is running smoothly due to Anup Mittal ji and his staff. So I thanks to Anup Mittal ji from the bottom of my hearts and want to say some few lines in Hindi. If don't mind, Raju ji, please. गुजरते लम्हों में सदिया तलाश करता हूँ. गुजरते लम्हों में सदिया तलाश करता हूँ. ये मेरी प्यास है कि नदियाँ तलाश करता हूँ.
You tell in English also, sir.
Also translate.
Over you will translate.
Sir, I am searching you everywhere. And I am looking for you everywhere. I am just searching you for everywhere.
चिंते हैं लोग खूबियां अपने आप में खामियां तलाश करता हूँ. This is for
I am searching my own defects and deficiencies.
Always, sir.
Sir, please. So please.
Lastly, we thanks to all our great leaders and Tirupati Raju ji. He is always we say he is a very motivator, and also a dominant leader.
Thank you, Rajkumar.
I thanks to all our other leaders, past national presidents and Vice President V.M. Rao ji, Pankaj ji, R. Mathivan ji, our international treasurer Rakesh Sharma ji, and we are very thankful and a great pleasure to us that leaders of outside of India like Dolores Elbro, Dhanadi Acharya from Nepal, Margos Youth from Philippines, Eli Tang, Romo, we are all join us. We are thankful and very happy, and I always invite you, please join us in every seminar or other meetings. Thank you very much.
So thank you very much, sir. Rajkumar Chauhanji, our international secretary, for rendering the vote of thanks. Sir, before
Dolores, all these seminars we are uploading in our YouTube channel.
Yes, sir.
I request Rome and you tell to your members to subscribe for our YouTube channel so that they know what is the programs we have done. They can see at their own time our all the seminars they can see in the YouTube channel. Yes.
Thank you, sir, for everything you are doing for the upliftment and for our organization. Thank you very much, sir. And before I invite for the national anthem, one news I would like to give. It is very much important, by the permission of Raju sir and by the international president, sir. Today only, right now, we have received the 5 life member fellow in 179, district 179. And this news I have received from Kulbhushan Saxena ji. He is the VDG1 from district 179. Now there are the total 30 life member fellowships, and this is the district of our great international president, sir. So I am very much thankful to district 179 and the whole team of 179.
Thank you also from 179.
179.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. 179.
Rajkumar Chauhan, our international secretary, also come from that great district. All the great leaders are coming from that district. Thank you very much. I congratulate all of you. And now I invite for the national.
Tomarji, 1 minute.
Please.
I have to give one information.
Sir.
Thank you very much, Tomarji. You have done a great job. And today's seminar is very, very successful. And we have so many leaders from outside India. I thank you, all the leaders. Now we are going to have, because this month we have 5 seminars. And in the coming month, we are now on the decrees that we are going to have 2 seminars in the month of July. That is first seminar on 18th of July by Dr. Santosh Kumar, who is a very, very specialist urologist, and he'll tell us about the urology. And he is a very, very, you can say, prominent doctor all over world, and he is working in PGI as a head of urology. And I request kindly on 18th in the evening, we are going to have a seminar of Dr. Santosh Kumar. Thank you all.
So thank you very much for the information. The next seminar will be on the 18th of July. And now I invite you, for all of you, for the national anthem will be played. And you please stand, all the leaders will and the members will stand at their place to in the honor of the national flag and national anthem. You please play the national anthem, please.
Janagana mana adhinayaka jaya he Bharat bhagya vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Banga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchchala Jaladhi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Bharat Mata ki jai. So thank you very much for playing the national anthem. So please, now I invite our international president, sir, the presiding officer of today, to please adjourn the meeting. International
Thank you,
President.
Tomarji, once again. Thank you, Tomarji. Now I, Avinash Hori, International President, now adjourn this wonderful meeting. Thank you. Good night. Good night.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Raju sir, Uri sir.
Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, all
Thank
of
you, all
you.
of
Good
you.
night.
Thank you,
Thank you, good
Dongas.
night. Thank
Thank
you,
you,
all of you.
Dongas.
Good night,
Good night.
everyone.
Good night.
Good night, good night. Thanks a lot.
Namaste, namaste.
Sir, Purvisha, we want to
Good
be a
night,
new district.
everybody.